Portable generators provide electricity on job sites, outdoor events, and during power outages. Uline offers several models that are gas-powered. They come with both recoil start and easy push-button electric start. They have 4 120-volt 20-amp GFCI outlets to plug in power tools and charge devices. They also feature one 120 to 40-volt 30-amp outlet for heavy demand appliances, such as AC units and electric stoves. The 6500-watt model is perfect for keeping appliances running during power outages. And the stronger 8000-watt model is ideal for bringing power to construction sites. Wheelbarrow-style handles and 2 never-flat wheels allow for easy transportation over any surface. Portable generators are easy to use. To start the generator, set the choke and fuel line to the on position. Press the electronic switch to run. Next, either pull the recoil or press the electronic switch to start. Once the engine starts and is running smoothly, gradually move the choke towards the off position. Now, your portable generator is ready to use. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.